People, now welcome back to my channel today. Sheggz don't come out come prove to us say in dey family oriented from the way im take handle im mama birthday and the things wey be say im don talk of recent. And also Alex Unusual don come under fire after she come out come give us a clip of the movie wey be say she dey act and how she take behave for inside the movie. So of recent, Sheggz, the mom, do birthday yesterday, and Sheggz come take to Instagram story to celebrate the woman, all those type of things. As of now, Sheggz is not in Nigeria because the mama dey based in London, so he go that side to go spend time with him mama and celebrate her on her big day. He just give us a tour of how the birthday go. They just do a private ceremony with just him and him mama and very few people, nothing so extravagant. So make una just watch the video for herself.
Yeah, so this is me stepping out. I'm gonna go grab one or two things from the shops, and then things I just need. And then after the shops, I'm gonna go to my mother's house to see the family. Here I am just driving out on my way to the shops. I'll show you guys a couple things that I need to secure. I'm in the whip. Guys, I need to find a fit, man, and it's late. I'm always going to the shop mad late, but yeah, I'm not trying to be driving whilst I'm on my phone, so so if you know me, you know that once I step out, I'm gonna go to Starbucks, 100%. But this is just me trying to grab little bits and bobs. Guys, I wanted to get this yellow Ralph Lauren windbreaker, but I just wasn't too sure about the yellow, to be honest. Needed new underwear. If you know me, TK Maxx, I'm getting my underwear from there or ordering online. Needed more stuff, mostly for my apartment in Lagos, the new one. Just little bits and bobs. And now here's the care package. Guys, by the way, this perfume, it bangs. Like, it's just amazing. It always has to be in my car. I have one in my car in England, one in my car in Nigeria. That's my go-to when I'm stepping out of the car. These parking tickets, man, I'm tired. I don't want any more parking tickets. Please, God, no parking tickets. But yeah, this is me on the way to my mom's house, just about to step out. Got to my mom's, jollof rice is a must. Happy birthday, mom. Guys, look at this J rice, man, with turkey and plantain. You have me in a chokehold. But yeah.
So una don see her now. Una don watch the video. Sheggz mama na step out. See the way she dey dance. Hey, that be sporty. Happy birthday to the Obasha. The thing wey be say I understand for where Sheggz dey. Sheggz na family oriented person, and the reason why I talk, una know say when it comes to ship, for me, I be zero when it comes to shipping people. But for Sheggz, I don't notice that say the boy dey family oriented, because there was one video wey be say I see am when he post for Instagram few days ago about this guy Rotimi. Those of una wey know Rotimi and Vanessa. Rotimi na that guy wey be say act for Power series. So for Instagram story, he say they always watch the video of how the guy and his wife Vanessa, they always work out together with the children. So all those things just make me reason say this particular guy go really like to have his own family, and he dey family oriented. Me, in particular, they root for him and Bella, honestly, because even though I'm not being much of a shipper to anybody, but when I see some certain ship and the way they don't prove beyond reasonable doubt, I go applaud them. So I dey root for both of them anyways. If you dey watch this video and you never subscribe, I beg, try make you subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime we say I drop new video, you go get them instantly. Help me like this video, share them, and drop your comment for the comment section below. Una, thank you. So Alex matter. Alex Unusual, she act a movie. I don't know what I go even call that one. I don't know what I will call a clip or movie, but it's like a movie. Now she dey act, and they can't tell us when she enter inside bush. Me they go at the scene for inside the bush. So for there, as she take do the video, people come start to dey insult her. They say she dey melodramatic, say na fake. The girl she dey pretend. And so they say talk. So I just watch the video before I go drop the comment where we say people make under this her post.
So I think it's monkey. Go. Alex, if you do this, I now God punish you. I take it back. That's bad. Don't make me feel bad for you. Alex, even you don't know they smell fair. Here, yes. I'm not scared. Of course. Why are you going all the way? We just need the shot. Alex, no, you have to run from like a far distance, a long distance. Why is this boy taking you to the bush?
Are you scared?
Alex, please.
Record.
This thing has to. I don't understand. See the generator there. That means people pass here.
Go. I don't like that run. See.
I'm doing like.
Yeah, you're doing like a
I know.
So what you do, don't walk and come out like hurriedly. Okay.
Please don't be scared.
Gabby, no, you're going too far. No, I can't. No. It's not that far now. That's so Alex will sit here. Inside. That leaf is moving. God of Jesus. Just go. I'm not so be a big girl. Oh yeah, you should have discussed outside here. Inside bush, you went to discuss. Hey God, somebody's climbing me. Somebody's climbing my back. Sorry. I think there's something following me.
So the first person here concerned to think that she grew up in the village. Now wow. So as she dey fear to say wild animal won't chop all those type of things because they say see this one maybe say be boy from village. Now can they pretend like this. Another one can say she's not faking it. That's who she has always been during her set. So stop hating. You are so bitter. Another one can say she's overly dramatic because she too do always acting for camera. So another person say she can fake her na her lifestyle. Another one say she too like drama. The next one say very dramatic, she overdoes it most of the time. To me, I not think to say Alex actually dey fake for this video because from the things wey I watch for Big Brother Naija All Stars, I think Alex na a child at heart. She get baby kind of heart somehow. So I no go feel really say she dey fake this thing. Maybe she really dey scared of bush. Even me, so as you see me, so I dey fear cockroach and I dey very dramatic if I see cockroach. Some people, if they see cockroach rats, they dey cry. So na so it just be for some people. As una dey even drag her, as they dey even drag herself, me when I dey even look herself, na her body, the way her body fine any and I dey admire. Not be say I be lele, but I just nothing dey wrong if I admire my fellow woman if she fine now. So Alex body dey very banging. Now wetin I dey look when people dey drag her for the art wey be say she dey art. Since Alex come out of the house, she have been minding her business, the business that pays her. She have been concentrating on her influencing, on her anti-bullying something wey be say she dey do. So I not really see a reason why anybody go just dey drag the girl. Whatever happened in the house should stay in the house. Una take care, una bye.